Man, look at the lineup they got up in here. God dog, what? Damn, oh, they pulling off. Oh, excuse me. Shit on, walk in front of you, brother. Damn. That's slow, man. That's not. Oh. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No problem. Because the electric motors, man, they just go straight. Yeah, exactly.
We were just there looking at those.
Yeah, they go 0 to 60 in a second and a half.
1.9.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, this the one I like right here for sure, man. Yep. This is the yeah.
Well, that's all.
This is the one that I wanted when I was a kid. This is it. Man. Yeah, I remember looking at this. Yeah, that's what I said. This one's the SV and this one's the VT. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. 6.0 Diablo. Yeah, this throwback. This what you seen on the #1 stunner. The #1 stunner video. This mug bad as hell though. Look at that mug, man. That's the real Lambo. What that John say? 220 on the dash. Nice. I don't know what that is. That shit old as hell right there. That's super old. Then they got this Noble. It's a rare car. This will probably be the only one you'll see in your lifetime. Get it on film for you. In the R8. This is one of my favorites right here. I wish I could get one. It's a nice ride here. Dang, I like that steering wheel, man. It's like the video game steering wheel. Yeah, man. What is that, the 2 Series?
Yeah, this is the M2, yes, sir.
M2? Hell yeah. Drive safety, man. You too. That mother need a bath. Look at this. Lotus pull off. Little Ferraris. Damn, look at that flat black with the orange. Ooh, it's like $50 million sitting in the parking lot. Oh, look at the Viper. That's a legend right there. That's the 99 joint. The most dangerous car on the road is that right there. Because the power to weight ratio is like 80-20 on the Dodge Viper pulling off right here. That's the most dangerous one they got out here. Where is it at? I'm gonna watch that mug pull off. He about to pull off. Oh, he about to pull off though. He ain't gonna do it. He know he ain't wanna pull off too hard. Look, y'all, some luxury, man. Show y'all something. It's a Ferrari right here. Which kind is it? I'm not sure. I'm going to back. The Lotus Elise. Oh, damn. Man, my man just did a burnout all the way up the road just now. This daggone bike, he did a burnout halfway up the road.
He always down to put on a show. He always down to put on a show.
Man.
He always down.
Look at this, man.